We're going to take a look around Azimut 42 Flybridge. This example was built in 2000. It's got a pair of Caterpillar engines, 385 horsepower each. Big generator, it's got a passerelle, 4-berth accommodation. Most unusually, she is a one-owner boat from new. And has got very, very low engine hours, 183. You see access on board, very good thanks to this large bathing platform. And we've also access up onto these side decks, like the steps. Actually, she's got quite decent side decks as well. They're easy to get around. Electric anchor winch on the bow here as well. Nice looking boat. I do like the window line and the bonded windows. She's very striking. Typical Italian style. Okay, let's take a look inside. Right, so this is the main saloon. First things you notice as you look round, just glass and windows everywhere. Very bright, very light. I love these big saloon windows here, port and starboard. Both complete with Venetian ocean air style pleated blinds. Very nice. And the woodwork's in beautiful condition as well. I mean, look at this table. Cherry finish with a bit of maple in the middle here. Very, very nice. Nicely presented. Good helm position. We've got original nav kit on it, so we've got a autopilot. This will then be a big plotter. It's the RC 630. Electronic throttles. We've got a Simrad VHF as well. But all in very good condition. Dashboards are in excellent order. Switches you just saw are all in very good order, all completely legible still. Linings are pretty good as well. Okay, we've also, just off the saloon here, we have got the Galley. Here is the Galley in more detail. So as mentioned before, she's got a generator, so it's all electric. We've got the microwave and the twin hob. This will be a large fridge freezer. All very smart and tidy. It's a nice galley, it's bright and light. Although it's only a small window, you've got all the natural light from the windows above. So yeah, it kind of flows very well from saloon. Although you are a good bit lower than the main saloon, you're definitely part of the party. Okay, moving further forward, we've got a twin cabin here to starboard. Right, so this is the twin cabin. 2 single berths. You see we've got the cushions here for the cockpit as well. Again, we've got the Ocean Air Venetian style blind there, or pleated blind, sorry. All in good order, carpet smart, tidy, upholstery the same. Decent storage as well with a big hanging locker, drawers. Very good second cabin. And you have also got ensuite access into the toilet and shower. It's a good size ensuite. We've got a traveller style vacuum flush toilet, proper shower cubicle. And we've also got day head access as well, but a proper shower cubicle. All sort of spins round. And again, a nicely finished wash basin here. the storage, but for your day access head, it's really good space. There is also an ensuite. We'll go straight to that. Ensuite in the master cabin as well. Very, very similar. Again, you've got that wrap-round shower with a cubicle, separate traveller style vacuum flush toilet. All quite nicely finished. Okay, so the main forward cabin. Right, so the main forward cabin. Good amount of floor space, very spacious for a forward cabin on a Flybridge boat. Good storage. We've got lockers to port and starboard. Some shelving with drawers. Again, you've got that lovely cherry wood finish, that high gloss finish throughout. The locker on the starboard side. This one is a hanging locker. It's quite a big hanging locker as well. It goes back quite a long way. Linings are good. Blinds, again, we've got these Ocean Air style blinds throughout. All in good order. Carpets, it's all very tidy. I'm assuming it's all original, but it's all in good order. Actually walking through it, it's not surprising that it's only had the one owner. Okay, let's get ourselves up onto the Flybridge where we'll finish the tour. Thank you. Okay, so up on the Flybridge, quite a big space up here. Plenty of room for life rafts and such like, or sunbathing cushions. And then you've also got the, I quite like this sort of curved seating arrangement. See, one of the big advantages of a Flybridge boat is this visibility. Not a bad evening for October as well. Okay, let's make our way back down into the cockpit. Okay, so this is the cockpit, last bit of the tour. Nice space, quite a deep cockpit, quite a lot of floor space here. Just got this transom bench here. Doesn't stretch the full beam of the boat, but that's a really good thing. You've then got two transom doors just here. Meaning that regardless of what side you moor your boat on, you've got easy access and exit off the boat, as we'll just demonstrate now. There we go. So that has been the Azimut 42. I hope you have enjoyed watching. Nice Flybridge boat, quite a pretty Flybridge boat, I think you'll agree. In pretty good condition overall. Woodwork very nice, upholstery's good, linings are good. And you know, I love the space and the light in the saloon, big windows, how it all flows with the galley. I think that was really nice. Large forward cabin, good mid cabin as well. 2 toilets, 2 showers. Okay, yes, you need to, you can argue you could do with a cockpit canopy. But, and you know, update on the nav kit, that sort of thing. But a very nice boat. Full details are on the website www.mya.co.uk.